Hello everybody, welcome back to Advent of Code. Today it's day 9's puzzles and it's gonna be ChatGPT solving them. So let's see how ChatGPT can handle Mirage maintenance. So as usual, I will copy the whole input description, puzzle description. So can you please solve the following problem? Input file is attached. So let's attach the file and let's see what ChatGPT can do. So now it's reading the file so that it understands the structure. And I think this problem should be doable for ChatGPT quite easily. I expect it to solve it without any help needed. Okay. So the result is exactly this number. So it solved the first part of the problem without any trouble. So let's try with the second one. Now, all right, pretty easy, I think. Don't see it having any trouble here. And it's 1068, which is correct. So this was super fast solution and ChatGPT handled it completely on its own without any input needed. So round of applause for it. And I think this was a very successful day for Code Interpreter and ChatGPT. So thank you for joining this very short video for day 9. And I will see you tomorrow or next day, whatever, when I get to record the day 10 videos. And until then, keep coding, and I will see you next time.